February 27th. Postponed pleasures. God is not going to replace suffering with glory. Rather, He will transform suffering into glory. Jesus used the illustration of a woman giving birth. The same baby that gave her pain also gave her joy. The pain was transformed into joy by the birth of the baby. The thorn in the flesh that gave Paul difficulty also gave him power and glory. The cross that gave Jesus shame and pain also brought power and glory. Mature people know that life includes some postponed pleasures. We pay a price today in order to have enjoyments in the future. The piano student may not enjoy practicing scales by the hour, but he looks forward to the pleasure of playing beautiful music one day. The athlete may not enjoy exercising and practicing his skills, but he looks forward to winning the game by doing his best. Christians have something even better. Our very sufferings will one day be transformed into glory, and we will be glad also with exceeding joy. From the Word, the sufferings of this present time are not worthy to be compared with the glory which shall be revealed in us. Romans chapter 1 verse 18. Also read Romans chapter 1 verse 17, 2 Timothy chapter 3 verse 11, John chapter 16 verses 20 to 22, 2 Corinthians chapter 12 verses 7 to 10. Think of some instance of suffering in your life that God transformed into glory. Ask God to give you a deeper understanding of this truth. Amen.